아름다운. 아름다운. What does this term mean? Today, on One Korean Word a Day here at Dae-Hangul, we're going to study about the word 아름다운. Let's start. Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 245. 아름다운. This is pronounced as a four-syllable word. The first syllable is a, second syllable is 름, third syllable is da, and the fourth syllable is un. Pronounce it with me. 아름다운. 아름다운. The Korean word 아름다운 is an adjective which means beautiful. Again, 아름다운 is an adjective which means beautiful. How do we write 아름다운 in Hangul? This is composed of four syllables, and let's look into each of the syllable. To be able to write the syllable a in Hangul, we need to draw first a no sound or a placeholder iyang followed by an a character. For the second syllable 름, we need to draw first a real character followed by an u character followed by a miyam character. For the third syllable da, we need to draw first a dikat character followed by an a character. And then for the last syllable un, we need to draw first a no sound or a placeholder iyang followed by an u character followed by a nian character. And then we just need to combine the Hangul for each of these four syllables to form the Hangul of the word 아름다운. By the way, 아름다운 comes from the unconjugated adjective 아름답다, which means to be beautiful. The transformation of 아름답다 to 아름다운 follows the usual process of conjugating an adjective. However, the term 아름답다 is considered a 비읍 irregular adjective, and there would be differences on the process of conjugating it into an adjective form. Generally, this is the process of conjugating an adjective. First step is to remove da, and then we need to add the nian character or the un syllable depending on the ending of the remaining word after removal of da. And then, once we have done the first two steps, we can already attach it to nouns. For the case of 아름답다, we will still follow these general steps, but there will be one separate step to be done. We'll see by following this example. So initially, we have 아름답다. The first step is to remove da. So the remaining word will be 아름답. And if you'll notice, the last letter of this remaining word is a 비읍 character. And in Korean language, there is such a thing as the 비읍 irregular terms, and 아름답다 is one among those. Before proceeding to the next step, which is the addition of the nian or the un syllable, we will need to process 아름답 first. Let me explain first how 비읍 irregulars are treated. The general rule on the transformation or the conjugation of 비읍 irregulars is to change the 비읍 character to u or o. For the case of 아름답다, when we remove da from 아름답다, we're left with 아름답. And as the rule says, we need to change the 비읍 character to u or o. And for the case of 아름답다, we will change it into u. So, it will become 아름다. We remove the 비읍 and added u. So that is 아름다우. Again, we started with 아름답다. We removed da, which is the usual process for conjugation. But before proceeding with the other steps of conjugation, for the case of 비읍 irregulars, we will remove the 비읍 character and replace it with u. So now, that will be 아름다우. Now, 아름다우 can now proceed to the next steps of the conjugation. Going back to this slide, now that we have 아름다우, we can now proceed with the next step, which is the addition of the nian or the un syllable. And for the case of 아름다운, since its ending is a vowel, we just need to add a neon character. So 아름다운 plus the neon character will be 아름다운. And 아름다운 is a readily usable adjective. We can now attach it to nouns. Just a quick rundown of the process. We started with 아름답다, then we removed da. So now we're left with 아름답. And as mentioned, 아름답 is considered a 비읍 irregular. So we need to transform it first before proceeding to the conjugation. So 아름답 is transformed into 아름다우. This is done by removing the 비읍 character and replacing it with u. And then to complete the conjugation of this adjective, we added a neon character. So now we have 아름다운. That's quite a long discussion. And with that, you've just learned 아름다운. Now let's proceed to the previous 10 words recap. As of now, the previous 10 words are words number 235 to 244. But don't forget our word for today, 아름다운, which means beautiful. Word number 244 is 나쁜, which means bad. Word number 243 is 멀리, which means far. Word number 242 is 작은, which means small. Word number 241 is 큰, which means big. Word number 240 is 있다, which means there is or to have something. It's also used to indicate that something is located at a specific location. Word number 239 is 소년, which means boy. Word number 238 is 소녀, which means girl. Word number 237 is 말, which means word or speech. This is also the Korean word for the animal horse. Word number 236 is 아무것도, which means anything or nothing. And the last for our review is word number 235, 나라, which means country. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.